Welcome back to Ingwa News. The Goa State AIDS Control Society, in collaboration with NARCO, launched an intensified IEC campaign on International Youth Day 2026 at Usgaon Ganjam. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane attended as chief guest, with Health Secretary Yatindra Maralkar as guest of honor. The campaign focuses on improving health awareness among youth and promoting informed choices through targeted outreach.
The minister's vision has consistently placed people at the center of policy, prioritizing preventive care, which he has shown in his commitment to be here at the launch of the intensified IEC campaign. It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed Health Secretary, Shri Yatindra Maralkar, whose presence adds value to the occasion. All the dignitaries, distinguished guests, esteemed members of the audience, and my dear students, a very warm welcome to today's International Youth Day and the launching of the intensified IEC campaign. This is the third round 2026. The first IEC was launched in 2024, the second one in 2025. The intensified IEC campaign 2026 is a 2-month campaign packed with activities to promote awareness about the routes of transmission of HIV, its prevention and control to reduce stigma and discrimination towards people with HIV/AIDS, to promote awareness among pregnant women, to promote awareness of testing, prevention, treatment, and the STI service facilities, awareness of the toll-free helpline 1097, which is available 24/7, the Break Free website, which is a comprehensive interactive website to enhance the uptake of online HIV risk assessment tool through active promotion of the QR code, to strengthen collaboration between various departments to promote awareness. So we have planned a lot of activities this year in the schools, 74 schools, 15 higher secondary, colleges 24, door-to-door 10,000 houses to be covered, daily posts covering 5 thematic areas in social media and influencers workshop, and the Red Ribbon Club activities in the various schools and colleges. There are 174 of them. The Goa State AIDS Control under the National AIDS and STD Control Program is committed to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goal 3.3, that is to end HIV as a public health threat by 2030. And in order to achieve this, targets under the Mobilization for AIDS Suraksha 95, 95, 99 have been set, and elimination of vertical transmission, that is mother to child, should be nil. This is possible only if everyone has the knowledge about the disease, comes early for testing, takes lifelong antiviral therapy, and is virally suppressed. In that case, the positive person will not transmit the disease and can lead a normal life. Globally, the first case was detected in America in 1981. Prevalence globally is 0.7% and incidence is 0.16 per thousand uninfected individuals. 4.08 crore positive people are living globally, and 13 lakh new infections are occurring. In India, the first case was in 1986 in Chennai. Prevalence in India is 0.2, incidence is 0.5 per thousand uninfected population. We have 25.61 lakh people who are positive in India. 65,450 new infections were there last year. In Goa, the first case was detected in 1987. The incidence in Goa is 0.06, that is 2025 data, and the prevalence is 0.27. We have in Goa estimated positives 4,376. Last year in 2025, 279 positives were detected in Goa. 205 male, 64 female, 1 EG, and 9 pregnant women. And the patients who are on antiretroviral therapy are 3,664. Students, today is International Youth Day and it celebrates your contribution to the society. You are the future of this country. Remember that health is wealth and prevention is better than cure. Hence, I implore to you all to be ambassadors to bring about a change so that we can achieve our goal of eliminating HIV as a public health threat by 2030. Thank you.
During this campaign, numerous activities will be conducted as already informed by Project Director. This to increase public awareness about HIV. Goa has made notable progress in controlling HIV and is now recognized as a low prevalence state in India. This progress reflects our strong commitment to prevention, testing and treatment. HIV affects all parts of Goa, with majority of new cases reported in 4 coastal talukas. So mostly this HIV we have noticed in coastal areas. HIV has a profound impact on adolescents and young adults. Globally, a substantial share of new infections occurs among young people. In our efforts, we must pay particular attention to this age group. In recent years, the state has seen a consistent decline in AIDS cases and deaths. Recognized ART centers at Goa Medical College and South Goa District Hospital ensure accessible and regular treatment for those living with HIV. Although testing numbers have increased, our test positivity rate has remained stable. In this situation, continued vigilance is essential to address high-risk pockets and ensure uninterrupted prevention and treatment services. Community outreach, rights-based policies, and technology-enabled interventions are vital to achieving the national goal of ending AIDS as a public health threat. I commend the Goa AIDS Control Society team for their dedication to reducing HIV incidence in the state of Goa. I am happy to inform that Goa was ranked 4th in the National AIDS Control Organization evaluation for the financial year 2024-25. An intensified IAC campaign has been launched across the state to raise awareness and prevent new infections among youth and general public. Index testing campaigns have ensured that partners, spouses and children of people living with HIV are tested. Many red ribbon clubs have been established in higher secondary schools and colleges. An adolescent education program has been initiated through SCRT. I am confident that with continued commitment from government, communities and individuals, we will make further progress towards eliminating HIV as a public health threat. I seek support from all of you, every citizen, every individual, every family of this country so that we can eliminate this HIV threat. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Many times you can depict what is in your mind in a very different way. You should be involved, you should not be bullied. Neither can you be manipulated. You are a generation that is beyond manipulation and beyond being bullied. You are in a position to control the governments. You are in a position to control the legislator even if you are at the age of 15, 16, 17 because once elections get over, you are the next voter in the line to vote and you should raise your voice and you should be sensitive. When तुम्ही जेन्ना भुरगे तुम्ही तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांमध्ये सर्कलामध्ये उलयतात तेन्ना बऱ्या गोष्टीचेर चर्चा करा. जे ह्या तरेचे सेन्सिटीव गोष्टी आहा ह्या सेन्सिटीव गोष्टीचेर आमी प्रिकॉशन कशे घेवपाक जाय हेजेर बी तुमी चर्चा करपाची गरज आहा. भायल्या देशांत आयज ते ओपनली चर्चा करतात. आमच्या देशात म्हणजे आम्ही कॉन्झर्वेटिव्हली काय गोष्टीचेर चर्चा करतात. आनी तुमी ल्हान ग्रुप्सान जेन्ना बसता, तुमी ज्या तरेचे सेफ्टी मेजर्स आनी ज्या तरेचे प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाक जाय